my channel. This is your friend Jacky Navarro, and today I will tour you to Santorini. Hi, my friend! Welcome to Thai bus terminal. So we're gonna go today to Huahin. Yay! So we're now here at Huahin. So we're at the hotel now. So we're gonna do early check-in. And the travel time was about 3 hours from Bangkok to Chaam. Hi friends! So we're gonna do now our room tour. So this is our room. Let's go! Ta-da! It's very spacious. May lower. So first is this is the balcony, and then this is the bed. The bed is not long, it's just super small. Look. And then what I like about this is you can aura. And then they have another balcony here where you can relax and chill and drink. So there, so you can just, you know, think about your future, think about another vlog. Also green, so they have this cabinet and extra pillow there, and then a mirror. So we're gonna have our lunch here first, and then at 1 p.m. we're gonna go to Santorini. So I ordered spaghetti carbonara and strawberry milkshake. Super yummy.
So, hindi niya alam, ma-surprise siya for her birthday. Birthday to you!
Hi, Fab friends! So we're now going to Santorini. So it's drizzling a bit, and then we rented this like tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
For 600 baht going to Santorini, and then he will wait for us there, and then he will drop us again here at the hotel. So the baht So we're gonna go around and see the view.
Uulit pa yan. Uulit pa yan. Uulit pa yan.
Ang sakit!
Yan kasi.
Kasi baka naman diretso ako ko. Sige pa. Not working. Shooting tayo. Makita niyan? Dito ko i-shoot yan. Ang kamukha.
Automatic. Okay.
Like this lang. Alex Gonzaga. Ending, it's raining. Break time at San Francisco. So I just woke up and it's 11 p.m. already. We arrived at the hotel around 3:15 and then I just woke up, it's already 7. We didn't really enjoy the Santorini because it keeps on raining, but the place is really nice and very cheap, but it's far, it's not very accessible. You need to have a car or a tuk-tuk to go there. So we rented a tuk-tuk for 600 baht. Right now, we're planning to have a massage and then hopefully the rain will stop so we can walk around by the beach. It's just 2 blocks away from where we are staying, and yeah, enjoy the night. And tomorrow we're gonna visit the Venice, the Italy vibe. So I hope it won't rain tomorrow so we can vlog and enjoy the place. So see you tomorrow! By the way, ito pala yung target ko earlier. So, sa dami ng bala, wala po tayong tinamaan. So I have 1 5 points, 1 6 points, and actually 2 6 points and 1 7 points. Wala pong pumasok sa red light. Ayan, ang yabang natin kanina.